Welcome to another episode of Sunny Bermuda. We're gonna unbox a prize we got from the Lawn Care Addicts. From Michael, Lawn Care Addicts. And I got two helpers here. Help me out. Who's opening it?
Henbit.
Henbit, little Henbit. These are two of my little weeds. Henbit's gonna open it. Don't cut your finger.
No, not right there.
Come cut this side over here. Cut the sides. This is a product from the Andersons. Looks like. I believe it's PGF complete. Okay, open it up. There you go. Hold on to it and I'll dump it out and we'll slide it on the bench here. See what we got.
Oh.
Pull it out. Oh. Yeah, pull it out. Keep pulling. Oh yeah. So we got a box of, or bag of PGF complete. 1648 fertilizer. A nice hat. And a mug. Let's see this mug. It's a nice, it's a Yeti mug. Look at that. That is some kind of fancy. How's that hat look?
Good.
Oh yeah. Well, that's a quick unboxing. Thank you, Anderson and the Lawn Care Addicts, for this Christmas surprise. Everybody have a Happy New Year.